Okay, traders, joining me for a brief chat is one of our top performers in Tradingcup. He has a number of followers following him, price action strategy approach. His name is Allan, but you will find him in Tradingcup as Trading Keys. His total gain at the moment is heading towards 4%. One of our top ranked performers at the moment. Welcome and thanks for joining us, Allan.
Thank you.
No problem at all. Look, what I would like to do, first of all, is just ask you a few questions to better understand, I guess, the overall approach to trading, what sort of got you into trading, and any tidbits that you could provide to some of the newbie traders in the market. So what I would like to do is, with my first question, is get you, if possible, if you could just share your personal trading experience, sort of how you started trading, how you've progressed, and what you're sort of up to right now, because I know as a trader, it can change.
Yeah, actually, I started my trading journey with copy trading, actually. So that was how I got it.
Okay.
That was how I got into the trades, and it was very new for me, and copy traded some good stuff and some good users, not at the Tradingcup, but some other places. Yeah, and then I have just involved my own trading style and what fits me. And actually, what I came up with was I really like the mechanical style, where
Mm-hmm.
where you know when you're going into a trade and you know when you're out of the trade again. So that's my main focus, and the way I have involved my own trading style, and that's how I do it today, and I'm only doing it on this way.
Can you sort of explain to us what your trading strategy is that you're currently using in the Tradingcup?
Yes, I'm using actually in Tradingcup I'm using this outside bar approach.
Mm-hmm.
That means it's a price action technique. The outside bar is the code is when the 5 minutes bars rises more than X pips than
Sure.
the 15-minute bars, I go into a trade. That's the strategy, actually. For example, I'm trading the euro against the euro New Zealand dollar, and I'm trading that between 10 and 2 p.m. Central Europe time.
Yes, yes.
That's a very good thing, because you don't trade when the market is sleeping.
No, absolutely. And
so
you can
that's
be misled too when you are in an Asian session. It can look like price is moving in a direction. And then, of course, once all the orders come in at a particular time, suddenly it's moving in a different direction. So you're trying to isolate times during the day where you could take advantage of a increase in, say, volume of trades and, of course, direction.
Yeah, exactly. And then also I'm also trying to I'm waiting for the first hour to pass. When the European when the DAX is opening, I'm waiting 1 hour, right? So
like on the London Open. Is that
yeah,
what you? Is it kind of around that time?
yeah, it is. So London and the Germany actually opens 1 hour later. I think the biggest challenge is my emotional. Those strategies I'm working on. Sometimes I can have a whole week without any entries, and that's a little bit what's happening now. But when I'm feeling those emotional feelings, I'm always going back to my back testing. I have this sheet where all my results are, I'm always going back to that, and I can see, okay, it's actually normal to have some quiet weeks.
Periods.
Yeah,
Especially when
periods.
markets go sideways for a third of their life, right?
But
Maybe
it's nothing
so.
about the market. It's about the asset, It's asset that's a little bit quiet, Maybe the market is very volatile, but on my strategy is a little bit quiet, And I
Sure.
know it will come back because I can look that in the back testing results, So,
Wow,
that's
thank you for
maybe
that. That is,
the
it's almost like a sports person doing lots of training, between their performance. It's so you can kind of, reassure yourself in a way that I've done the back testing, so I can use that to make sure I stick to my plan. Is that sort of your thoughts on that?
I actually do that a lot. Every time I'm get a little bit, emotional. I always go back to my back testing sheets and take a look. Okay, it has still performing right, and I can see. Okay, we have the last half year. We have 2 quiet periods, so it's normal. So I'm trying to provide the unknown questions, so that I can copy other users with comfortable, So
Sure.
Yeah.
No problem at all. And I guess, so if there is a follower of yours,
Mhm.
I mean, we can see that you have a Signal follower already in Tradingcup. Is there anything that you want to say to your fans out there, so to speak?
I want to say, stick to the strategies. Don't close before, or don't close before I close it, because
That's right.
I mean, in the long run, I have been testing those strategies for a long time,
Sure.
so I know it works. And sometimes you get nervous. Okay, now the trade 20 pips down, but maybe in the strategy I have 50 pips in the loss, So and I have seen so many times that a trade can make like 40 pips on 15 minutes. So
True.
stick to the strategy, and stick
Stick
to
to the
the
strategy.
because something can happen very quickly in the market,
Thank you so much too, by the way. This is Allan joining us, one of our top performers here in Tradingcup. And on behalf of ACY Securities, I'd like to thank you for sharing with us. And of course, I know that your followers and other traders out there are going to get so much from these pearls of wisdom that you've thrown to us today.
Okay, thank you so much.
Thank you.